Have you ever wondered why there is poverty in the world if you can print more money? It seems a very simple question, but it has a very complex answer. In this video we are going to explain in a fun and entertaining way why it is not as easy as it seems to solve the problem of poverty with a money machine. Subscribe to the channel if you are a curious human being, it's free. The first thing to understand is that money has no value in itself, but represents the value of the goods and services that can be bought with it. For example, if you have a €10 bill, you can exchange it for a pizza, a book or a movie ticket. But if everyone had a €10 bill, those products would become scarcer and more expensive, and your bill would no longer be enough to buy them. This is what is called inflation, the generalized increase in prices due to the excess of money in circulation. Inflation is very harmful to the economy, because it reduces people's purchasing power, discourages savings and investment, and generates uncertainty and instability. For this reason, governments cannot print money without control, but must follow rules and limits established by central banks, which are the institutions in charge of regulating the quantity and quality of money. Moreover, money is not the only source of a country's wealth. Other factors such as natural resources, technology, education, health, security, democracy, etc., must also be taken into account. These factors determine a country's capacity to produce goods and services efficiently and sustainably, and to distribute them equitably among its population. If a country prints more money than it can support with its real production, the only thing it will achieve is to become poorer and lose credibility in the eyes of the rest of the world. As you can see, poverty cannot be eliminated simply by printing more money. What is needed is a responsible and coherent economic policy that promotes growth, development, and social inclusion. And it also requires greater international cooperation, promoting fair trade, humanitarian aid and solidarity between richer and poorer countries. Only in this way can we build a more prosperous and just world for all.